We begin this afternoon with new details on North Carolina's controversial new law that affects gay marriage.
It was signed a month ago, and now we know how many magistrates have already used it to not marry same-sex couples.
News 13's Zach Green is live in McDowell County for us tonight with those numbers. Zach?
Yeah, Tammy, these magistrates can actually cite religious objections for not performing any of the marriages. At that point, someone else in the office is going to have to step in and do it, and that's exactly what happened here in McDowell County.
The Supreme Court ruling made clear that every person in the country has a fundamental right to marry.
But despite the Supreme Court's decision to legalize same-sex marriages, North Carolina's new law stands, allowing magistrates the right to refuse giving marriage licenses based on a religious objection.
I'm a Christian. I don't believe that that's the biblical way to go. Same-sex marriage is wrong.
You can't stop what they want to do. I mean, their choice, but if they don't want to do it, then that's their choice too.
Not everyone agrees, including the Campaign for Southern Equality.
That magistrate is free to worship, believe, practice, teach, talk about whatever he believes as part of his body of religious beliefs. He is not entitled to impose that as a government official on citizens.
In the months since the law was passed, one magistrate in McDowell County exercised this rule. That person is one of 14 in the state to do so, out of more than 600 magistrates. Those 14 are now subject to a minimum of 6 months of being unable to perform any marriage. But in the eyes of the law, that still doesn't uphold the constitutional right for those looking to legally marry.
The Constitution prohibits the government from imposing those views on citizens, particularly as now in exercising the fundamental right to marry.
Now, we had asked to speak with the magistrate that did cite some of those religious objections, but we're told that it was a personal issue. Live here in McDowell County outside the courthouse, Zach Green, News 13.